The Rongmei Naga Students Organization Manipur RNSOM has informed the public that there will be no total shutdown along the National Highway 37 Imphal-Jiribam route in Rongmei Naga territories, contrary to the call given by Kuki groups for a 24-hour shutdown from midnight of June 10. In a statement, the ransom said the Kuki INP Southwest Sadar Hills, Kuki Students Organization Southwest Sadar Hills, and Kuki Women Union Multam region have jointly called for the shutdown in Kuki-dominated areas along National Highway 37. However, the RNSOM asserted that the entire stretch from Imphal to Jiribam is Rongmei Naga ancestral land, despite claims made by the Kukis, who they term new settlers. The student body warned that any untoward incident arising from the proposed shutdown would be borne by the Kuki community, as National Highway 37, the lifeline of Manipur, passes through Rongmei Naga land and belongs to all communities living in and outside the state. The RNSOM firmly stated that National Highway 37 cannot serve as a platform for any act of terrorism by any organization or individual, present or future. Furthermore, the group condemned the recent barbaric, indiscriminate attack by Kuki militants who abused the state police and the chief minister's security personnel along National Highway 37. The caution that an attack on peace-loving communities serving in the state forces could trigger another wave of crisis and be considered an open invitation to join the fights, the statement added.